Hey guys, what's up? So check this out. Scoob here from More Flow, Less Friction Marketing. A lot of people are asking me how I created this 50 pieces of power content, what I call the power content. Of course, Facebook's being goofy in the messenger. I'm sending a PDF. I'll attach the PDF to this. I can still give it to you, but I figured it'd be better just to create a quick video showing. A lot of people are asking, how did you do this? I want to learn how to do this. Here's what you need. You need Go High Level. I put it in the Go High Level group, so imagine you already have that. If you don't, I can get you a subscription for that, $97 a month. That might sound high to someone who's never used Go High Level. Go High Level, if you want a separate video on that, reach out to me. Go High Level is this so powerful of a platform. You can create all your websites, stores, house all your emails in there. You can create, it's your CRM, it's everything. Everything, your marketing, your Facebook ads, blah, 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 blah. This thing I'm showing you right here. So reach out to me. I'll get you in there. If you're not in Go High Level, you have to have it for this, and I'll get you in with a link, real simple, send over, boom, you can join, you're in. Number two, you're going to need Canva, and you're going to need the business account, I guess it's called, the upgraded account, just not the free account. And you're going to need either ChatGPT or Claude. I did it with Claude, okay? But I also ran it through ChatGPT, and it works as well. All right. So what we do here, first of all, I'm going to jump into Claude because this is what I ran it through. I'm going to just give you a quick rundown of how I did this and what it's done for my business, what it's done for I'm on the content monetization program in Facebook. It's blown them numbers up. And it's just really worked really good. And I don't have to get up every day thinking about what to post. I was doing this for years. Even with the invent of AI and everything, I'm still got sucked into the old way of just doing it myself. Freaking look like a fuzzy on there or something, but I got sucked into just doing it myself every day. And this has just kicked in the algorithm. So let me say this really quick. Facebook and Instagram, the algorithm loves you to post 3 to 4 times a day. So this system allows you to post 3 to 4 times a day. That gets hard when you got a busy life, right? The other thing it allows you to do is it allows it the kick into the algorithm. It puts its own comments in the comment section for people to start to comment. You'll see what I mean here in a second, which gets likes going, comments going, which Facebook loves. And it's a lot easier once this is set up. It just shoots them out every day, 3 posts a day. And what's working right now, honestly, is just video, just static images. And I'm going to show that to you right now. So let's just jump in. So the first thing I did was I went here to Claude and I said, I'm going to show you my business. I've done this now for 4 or 5 different businesses. It's working great for everybody. But I don't want to share their information and everything. I didn't get permission from them, but I'll just show you one of mine things that I do. It's called More Flow, Less Friction. My whole thing's based around flow, less friction. I do a personal development thing here. You can see that here. It's break the chains of lack. I help people with it. If you're interested in that, you can drop a comment below. I'll send you the book, the ebook on that. It's break the cycle of lack, right? And it's how to do that mentally. But that's what I help. So I just created, here's 50 quotes ready to paste it into your spreadsheet. Stop forcing it. Flow shows up when you stop fighting. Friction is just fear wearing a to-do list. The lake does not rush. Neither should you. Now, let's just go through this Claude thing right here. This basically shows it. So I just told Claude to come up with these. Of course, I went down through, read all these, and there's some I had to change, but most of them I loved, right? So we get down, and Claude literally tells you here what to do next. Open a blank spreadsheet or Excel sheet, whatever you already have. Doesn't matter which, Go to step 2. Copy all 50 quotes I gave you and paste them into column A in the spreadsheet, right? It tells you exactly what to do here. Go to the next thing. Boom. Go to the next thing. So that's exactly what I did. Then I went into, it says here, remember to save More Flow, Less Friction quote. Save it as a CVS file. Okay. Now, what I think I ended up doing here was I just told Claude to do it, and it ended up doing it. Yeah. Right there. So as you scroll down, we'll scroll down. Here's what it did. It did it. So if I download this, if I look at this right now, here they all are. All in a CVS file. Easy, right? So we scroll down, and so now we need to start a custom design. This is where Canva comes into play. So it says log into Canva, create a design in the top right, then choose custom size, type 1080 by 1350 pixels. This is the size that works best for Facebook feed post. So this works for everything. Number 2, add your background photo. So when you're there, pick a background photo, right? I asked Claude just to pick them for me. It did. it'll do everything for you, right? Number 3. So basically click upload this into your Canva account. Or I'm sorry, your logo. Once you add your logo as well, my logo was already in there, the background picture and the logo. So we get that done. Add a text box for the quote. Make the text white and bold. Add transparent background behind the text. And save the template. Okay. So then I went and just asked Canva to do that. Yes, build the Canva template right here. Because I was just like, I don't want to do this. So what it do, if you go down here, we'll keep scrolling down. I connected Claude right to Canva. So you can literally just ask Claude how to do that. It'll tell you how to connect Canva to Claude. So Claude was now connected to Canva, just did all that, what I just showed you for me. How awesome is that? So I went down. I don't know why these are broken now, but it said, let's build it. And it showed me all the designs. All I did was click. See how my finger will click that? I clicked it, picked the design. I said, and I actually said the first one. I typed it out. So if we keep going down, I put in my logo, added my logo like we did up top. Boom, we keep going. It says exactly what to do now. Open your template using this link. Click uploads in the left sidebar, upload the files. So that's the files. Now, so what we're doing now is we're going to bulk create. So you're going to take the CVS file. We'll drop down here. Boom, boom. If we keep going down, these are just what I was doing here. You don't get confused with this. Don't worry about it. I was just adding different logos and stuff like that. And then I got to the quote spreadsheet. So you already generated 50 quotes with me, and we built a spreadsheet. The file's done, sitting ready in your outputs. Canva template chosen. Boom. Here it goes. Drop the logo. We did. I finished formatting the text box. But bulk create. So it went into Canva and it bulk created all 50 graphics. Boom. Now it's time to load it into GoHighLevel. So this is where we go into GoHighLevel. What we do is we go here and we go to, actually, I'm on a post right now. So let me get out of here really quickly. And I'll go to what we do is I have this down a little bit lower and thing. Let me bring it up to 100%. Okay, there we go. And we'll go to, we're going to X this out. Get that out of there. We're going to go to marketing, which is here. We're just going to go back. And we're going to go into here, and under marketing is our little thing called social planner. Now you might see some of these failed. What had happened was I will give you a warning here a little bit. Facebook's goofy sometimes, and it will kick you out of the token of it, right? So you have to reconnect it once in a while, and you just reconnect it by going here to settings, but you see right here, and you click on them and reconnect it. But it sent out a ton of them, and I'll show you. But some of them it didn't. You just go over here, these 3 little dots, and you just click retry now, and it'll send it back through. So I had to do that for some of them. I did, but the other one I ran it for my Motocross Training Academy, it's letting all them go. I haven't touched one of them, right? So all you do now is once you have that, you download that file that they had given you, that Claude has given you right here. We'll just go down. Boom. I was just looking at the different images of it here. And all we do is go down. And if it messes up in here, it literally will just tell you. Claude will tell you. It'll fix it while you're doing it, right? These are all, so I went into other things I wanted to do. So here it is, the file right here. So I just downloaded it. Now, all you do is download it, go into Social Planner. You go here to create new post. Boom. You create a upload from CSV. You hit advanced formula. You take that file that you downloaded, like right here. Here's one right here. Boom. You drag it in there and you just follow the steps next. Boom. Next, next, next. It uploads it. Once it's done, it looks just like we just looked at right here. I'm not going to actually do this because I did it already. Here it is. Here they all are. You can click on each one, look right at it. That's what you just seen the page before. What I was doing was looking at it. You can bring it up right here on the side, preview the link. You can change the copy. You can run it as an ad over here. It's freaking awesome. Now, here's what it has done. It has literally, if I go back to my Facebook here, and we go to Facebook, we'll go to my account. Let's just go to this one. I have too many tabs open like usual. Let's just go here into John Lansdorfer. Let's hit the dashboard and look at my numbers. I'm up 49%. I'm up 260. I got 266,000. I couldn't even say that. 948 views. And you could see the spike in it right here, right? So when I run these, the spike, here's one of the things right here. It's showing flow doesn't mean easy. It means aligned. There's my logo, just like I showed you in the thing, what I'm doing. And that's it. And it simply then just creates, this one just went out. There's only one view on this. But you can see my earnings have gone up 94%. Not a ton of money. I think last month I got $100 something. This is 20 so far, just what's going on so far. But that is way up. You can see the content monetization, right? And that's the whole system. I just showed you the whole system. That's exactly how you do it right there. So I'm telling you, what has happened with this right now is this has gone up. So now I'm getting more views. More views brings more people that are interested in my business, more people that are interested in everything I got going on. That actually creates them to go look around at some of my other stuff, right? Because if I click on, I have some other stuff. There's my Motocross Training Academy, my quantum blood spray that I sell, my my break your cycle of lack on my more flow, less friction. Yeah, so it has helped that whole thing, right? And it just works awesome. And Facebook loves it. They love the algorithm. They love the algorithm to be fed a lot of posts, tons of posts. Here you go, right here. And they're loving static posts right now. You think everyone's thinking videos, videos, videos. It is not really videos. Right now, it is static posts that are working really well. I'm proving it right here. You see my numbers. So there it is, guys. I hope that helps. Get to work on doing it. If you need GoHighLevel, reach out to me. I'll send you a link. You can sign up for GoHighLevel. Actually, as a bonus for if you join, I'll send you an actual chat bot that I built for you. It's a conversation bot for actually on a web page and a text back bot. We can set up your phone number. Lynn instantly text people back that reach out to you. And we can even set up a conversation bot. I can do a lot of stuff and GoHighLevel. If you join, I'm going to throw a bunch of them in as bonuses through me. That's only $97 a month. And if you want me to build you this system, like you watch this whole thing, but you're like, you know what? Can you do it for me? Absolutely. I'll build this whole thing for you for $500. You do need GoHighLevel though. Like if you have GoHighLevel, that's cool. We'll just build it within your account. $500, I'll do it for you. Done deal. Upload it. Have the whole thing ready to go. You won't have to touch nothing. The thing will start feeding for you. I'll even watch it in case some of them fail to make sure that it goes back out. Yeah, if you're interested in that, man, just text me. My phone number is 814-330-2058. I'll send you over an invoice, put it through, and we'll get to work and get it set up right away. All right, guys. Hope that helps. Have a great one. Talk soon.